Alright, so I'm continuing this in this video because I hit the wrong freaking button, or either I timed out or something. But anyway, going back over here, my brine solution is finished. Turning that off. It's come to a boil. You should let it cool down before you add it to your jar, because you don't want to crack the jar. I added my fennel seed to my pot. And the reason I did that is just to release more flavor, just get it all boiled in with everything else. And then what I'm going to do is add this to my jar, and I'm almost done. So we are back. I poured my brine solution in with my veg, and I'm just pushing everything down in there. And you can see I have plenty of space at the top. So what you need to do is top this off with water. You can boil the water, or as long as you have purified water, which we do, then you can just add it straight to your jar. So I filled this up with purified water that was at room temperature. And I just like to make sure everything, even the spices, are all, submerged in the water. Or in the brine, sorry. We have a brine now. We have a brine! So stir it up a little bit, push it down. You don't want to destroy your cucumbers, obviously, so don't get overly aggressive. There you go. And I will let this cool on the counter, well, probably right here because it's hot. But I'll let this cool for a couple of hours. And then what you will do is wipe around the rim where you're going to put your lid. So just make sure that's clean. Do not touch the inside where your veg are. And after that, put your lid on tightly, as tightly. Some people say to put it on loosely. I put mine on tightly because it creates a vacuum, so it'll be vacuum sealed. So I say put your lid on tightly as long as this is at room temperature. And then put it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, and you and your family will be in bliss. Just going to put this up on the cutting board so I can get a better picture of it. So this is what it looks like. That is really, a good looking jar of pickles. And you can eat these with anything. Eat them as a snack on their own. You can also have them with sandwiches as a side dish. These are great. What I would do is just take them out if I was doing a side dish and chop them up a little bit more and serve them as a side dish. The other thing is adding them to salads. We like to put this in egg salad, so I'll make like an egg salad or a tuna salad, and we'll chop some up finely, add it to that. Lots and lots and lots of flavor there versus adding relish. Also, this is going way outside of the box, but it so works well. Soul food is the best food ever. And what I like to do, though, is do a variation on it sometimes. So what I will do with these is I will chop them finely and put them in my potato salad instead of putting in relish. I will use this because it adds, just a better depth of flavor, as well as, in my case, a little bit of heat. And you still get the pickle that you need for a good soul food potato salad. So I'm going to just go ahead and add my lid to this. I know it's not ready yet, but hey, we want to get that finished picture. It's not tight, but I will tighten that later. And I have a fennel seed. There you go. So there you go. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Please like it. Give us a thumbs up. Tell us what types of things you would like to see us pickle. We'll try it. Also, if you're a pickler yourself, what combination of spices do you use in your pickle? And lastly, if you can also share this video, that would be great. We so encourage sharing. Sharing is good. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, health is wealth, and welcome back to our cooking series, at the Velvet Lounge.